Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: CPU virtualization and 64-bit Windows. Once confirmed, reboot into UEFI and enable VTX or AMDV. This is mandatory. Back in Windows, open an elevated PowerShell and run the commands to enable WSL and Virtual Machine Platform. These prepare the hypervisor stack. Make sure you're an administrator, and note that Windows 11 Home requires extra steps to get Hyper-V-compatible services active. Follow these precise commands next to install the Hyper-V packages. Now install Hyper-V components explicitly. Open PowerShell as administrator and execute Enable Windows optional feature for Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Then reboot. If Windows reports missing packages, use DISM to restore the component store or add the specific CAB files. Once the system restarts, run systeminfo to confirm the hypervisor is present and launch Hyper-V Manager to create a test VM. Make sure to allocate sensible RAM and a VHDX disk. This avoids performance surprises when you first boot a virtual machine. Finish by creating a virtual machine. Allocate CPU cores, assign RAM, attach an ISO, and create a VHDX disk. Once the VM boots, install the guest OS and integration services if available. If you need WSL2 or Docker, enable nested virtualization on that VM. If something fails, one key troubleshooting tip: verify that the hypervisor is running in systeminfo. Confirm Secure Boot and Device Guard aren't blocking virtualization, and recheck UEFI settings. Then rerun the PowerShell feature commands and reboot to clear persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.